Hello and welcome back to my channel, Iraqi Dinar Reshape, Iraqi dinar and oil exports. What's really happening? Iraq's economy is once again at the center of global discussions as new developments unfold regarding oil exports and the value of the Iraqi dinar, IQD. With reports suggesting that the Kurdistan region is about to resume oil exports, many investors and currency enthusiasts are questioning what this means for Iraq's financial future. Could this signal a revaluation of the Iraqi dinar? Or are these just more unfounded speculations? In this article, we will dive deep into the latest updates on Iraq's oil exports, the status of the Iraqi dinar, and what to expect in the coming months. Oil exports from the Kurdistan region. A game changer. The Deputy Prime Minister for Energy Affairs and Minister of Oil, Hayyan Abdul Ghani, recently announced that oil exports from the Kurdistan region would resume within hours. The initial phase will involve exporting around 185,000 barrels per day, with a plan to gradually increase exports in accordance with Iraq's federal budget. This news is significant because Iraq's economy relies heavily on oil revenues. The temporary halt in oil exports from Kurdistan in 2023 caused major financial disruptions, straining the national budget and increasing economic uncertainty. Now, with exports set to resume, Iraq can expect a fresh inflow of revenue, potentially boosting its economic stability. But how does this impact the value of the Iraqi dinar? Let's break it down. The Iraqi dinar: fluctuations, speculation, and reality. Why do currency values change? Currencies fluctuate due to several factors, including supply and demand. If more people want a currency, its value rises. If demand drops, so does its value. Economic stability. A strong economy attracts investors, strengthening the currency. Government policies. Central banks control exchange rates through monetary policies. Market speculation. Investors often react to news, sometimes overvaluing or undervaluing a currency. The Iraqi dinar has been a hot topic for speculation for years, with many believing that it will suddenly revalue and increase in worth. However, the real factors that affect its value are more complex. The CBI's role in currency valuation. The Central Bank of Iraq, CBI, plays a crucial role in stabilizing the dinar. Recently, there has been significant discussion surrounding CBI's decision to suspend the dollar transaction platform. This system was essential for facilitating USD exchanges in Iraq, and its suspension has sparked speculation about potential currency revaluation. However, just because a financial system is adjusted doesn't mean the dinar will dramatically rise in value. More often than not, these changes are temporary and aimed at controlling market fluctuations rather than causing an outright increase in the currency's value. Some experts argue that instead of a sudden jump, any meaningful increase in the dinar's value would happen gradually over time, following economic reforms, increased investment, and financial stabilization. Challenges to the Iraqi dinar's appreciation. While many investors and currency traders hope for a revaluation, several obstacles stand in the way. 1. Political and security issues. Iraq has experienced political instability for years, with ongoing power struggles, protests, and security concerns affecting the economy. Without long-term political stability, it is unlikely that the dinar will see significant appreciation. 2. Inflation and economic pressure. Like many other nations, Iraq has been dealing with inflationary pressures. The CBI has taken measures to keep the exchange rate stable, but without large-scale economic growth, a major appreciation in the dinar's value remains unlikely. 3. Limited foreign investment. Foreign investors play a key role in strengthening a country's currency. Iraq needs to attract international businesses, improve infrastructure, and create a business-friendly environment before any drastic currency appreciation can take place. 4. Oil dependence. Iraq's economy is highly dependent on oil, making it vulnerable to fluctuations in global oil prices. If oil prices fall, the country's revenue decreases, putting downward pressure on the dinar. To strengthen its currency, Iraq must diversify its economy beyond oil. The reality behind Iraqi Dinar Revaluation, RV, rumors. The idea of an Iraqi Dinar Revaluation, RV, has been circulating for years, with some investors believing the currency will suddenly increase in value overnight. However, these claims are largely based on speculation rather than economic reality. Debunking common RV myths. 1. Iraq is secretly revaluing the dinar. The CBI has repeatedly stated that it will be transparent about any major currency changes. There is no evidence to suggest a secret revaluation is happening. 2. Contractors in Iraq are already being paid at a new exchange rate. This claim is untrue. Government contractors and employees are paid based on official exchange rates, not inflated speculative numbers. 3. The dinar will be worth $3 plus per unit. Currently, the dinar is valued at approximately 1,300 Iraqi dinars per US dollar. A sudden jump to $3 per dinar would require massive economic changes that Iraq is not currently experiencing. 4. Other countries have revalued their currencies before, so Iraq will too. While some countries have adjusted their exchange rates, Iraq's financial situation does not indicate an imminent revaluation. Currency revaluation happens gradually through economic growth, not overnight speculation. What needs to happen for the dinar to appreciate? For the Iraqi dinar to gain value, several factors must align. 1. Economic growth. Iraq must boost industries beyond oil, including agriculture, manufacturing, and technology. 2. Political stability. A stable government attracts investment and strengthens investor confidence. 3. Foreign investment. Iraq needs more international businesses to invest in its infrastructure and development. 4. Improved banking systems. A modern, transparent banking system will help Iraq integrate into global markets. 5. Increased non-oil exports. Diversifying exports will help stabilize the economy and support the currency's strength. Until these factors are met, any speculation about an overnight revaluation remains just that, speculation. Should you invest in the Iraqi dinar? If you're considering investing in the IQD, here's what you should keep in mind. Stay informed. Rely on official sources like the Central Bank of Iraq and financial experts rather than speculation. Avoid scams. Many websites and individuals promote false information about the dinar's value. Be cautious. Think long-term. If the dinar does appreciate, it will likely happen over many years, not overnight. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your money into one currency. Spread your investments across multiple assets. Conclusion: the future of the Iraqi dinar. Iraq's latest oil export developments mark an important step toward economic stability, but they do not guarantee an immediate increase in the dinar's value. While resuming exports from the Kurdistan region may boost revenue, Iraq still faces major challenges that must be addressed before any significant currency appreciation occurs. The Central Bank of Iraq remains committed to financial stability, but rumors about an overnight revaluation remain unfounded. Instead, any potential increase in the dinar's value will be a gradual process dependent on economic reforms, foreign investment, and political stability. For those considering investing in the Iraqi dinar, the best approach is to stay informed, be cautious of speculative claims, and focus on long-term economic trends rather than short-term rumors. What are your thoughts? Do you think the Iraqi dinar will appreciate in the near future, or is the speculation overhyped? Share your thoughts in the comments.